Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Current लगते लगते बच गया. TCS is giving SOC nowadays. The people who are waiting, the student who are waiting for the 2025 batch result, interview result, they are not getting any information from TCS. So that is the reason the SOC is, TCS is giving this SOC, electric SOC. Okay, anyway. So we will talk about 2025 batch interview result also, what TCS is going to do. But before that, friends, TCS HackQuest 2026 batch is launched. And if you perform well in this, you will be getting opportunity for Ninja Digital and Prime Role interview. Okay. Btech, Mtech, BSC, BCA, MSC, MCA, these are eligible. That is more than enough for you to know what actually this hiring is. Okay. Anyway, one question, sir, if I apply for this HackQuest, then will I be eligible for TCS free NQT hiring? Both are different. Okay, fine. So TCS HackQuest season 10 is the ultimate cyber arena. Ultimate. You write the exam, you get selected, and you don't get onboarding mail. You don't get selection mail. So this is the reason it is ultimate. Okay. So TCS HackQuest season 10 is ultimate cyber arena for the student to showcase. So now earlier, the student who were not part of cybersecurity domain, so they only struggled. Now cybersecurity also will struggle. So that is the reason they have written cybersecurity arena for a student to showcase their cybersecurity brilliance. So a student will show their cybersecurity brilliance and TCS will show their brilliance that after interview we don't even communicate to the student. पूरा बकचोदी वाला hiring TCS का start हो चुका है. Embrace the opportunity in season 10 to participate, chase your dreams and emerge victorious with prize worth up to all ChatGPT language. To INR 5 lakhs, gain an interview opportunity with TCS Cyber Security Center of Excellence along with certification of merit and exclusive merchandise for top performers. Even if you clear this, you will be directly appointed as IPS or IS in government services. Registration end date 18th of November 2025, round 1 date 13th of December 2025. Okay, for any queries write to this email, but you will not get the response. That is how this particular thing is. A valid TCS Next Step portal is mandatory to register for TCS. Okay, about HackQuest. Now click over here. The link is in description. Please, if you don't even want to apply, please click on the link. I will get some 2-3 rupees. Okay, एक तो मेहरबानी कर दो यार. Anyway. As the digital world expands its boundaries, cyber threats that lurk in the corners of the web are paramount. TCS is talking about all the cyber security. Their website was down for more than 10-15 days and they had leaked all the information on their website itself. And they are talking about cyber security. Who is talking about cyber security? Okay, introduction. So all these nonsense things are not required. Come here. The contest is open to the student enrolled in any recognized college, university, academic institute in India who will be graduating in the year 2026 with any of the following degrees: Bachelor of Technology BTech, Bachelor of Engineering BE, Master of Technology MTech, Master of Engineering ME. Okay, BCA, MCA, BSC, MSC. TCS reserves the right to take necessary steps and seeks any relevant document to verify the eligibility of participant mentioned above. Okay, the contest will be considered void if participation in the contest on or conducting the contest is prohibited by the rules of contest. Okay, participant not required. Okay, now the contest will be conducted in 3 rounds, so all those things are not required. Beginners challenge. Okay, and then we will see prize. So there is 5 lakhs prize is also there. Okay, so there are 3 rounds are there, prizes and rewards. The participants hereby agrees and undertake, that is not required. While some of the toppers round 2 will be invited for in-person round 3 interview, the top 10 participants from round 3 shall be awarded at the grand finale ceremony and have a chance to interact with TCS leadership. The top performing participants who clear round 3 may stand a chance to receive Ninja Digital or Prime provisional job offers subject to the interview process. After the interview process, you don't know TCS does not know you, and other selection criteria as per the TCS sole discretion and policies in the effect. Ghanta TCS Ninja Digital and Prime job you will get. Okay, total prizes worth up to INR 5 lakhs are given to the top performing participant. Certification of the merit will be awarded to all top performing participants. Till then, the TCS does not release the interview result of 2025 batch, which is uncertain as of now. All these hirings, right? So they will have to wait for a longer time. Please keep that in mind. Okay, that's all from the TCS side. And I don't want to read and tell you the same thing, because you can also read. That is one quality which you have it. Okay, till now you have not subscribed to this channel and still you are watching the video. Now should I, मन तो करता है बहुत कुछ बोलने का. Okay, so please do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will be getting all फालतू TCS videos on time. Okay, thank you, take care and all the very very best. We'll meet soon. अरे भाई, तू डाउन हो जा. Okay, meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care यार. Situations are bad, but it will not be always like this. Okay, so TCS is now going through the bad phase. The clear reason I had told in one of the video, and the reason was very very clear, but many of the people, TCS employee, they started मतलब left right से गाली देने लगे. And the reason I had told, TCS has so many employees, okay, which should not have been part of the TCS. Okay, because their hiring process, you see, and even everybody goes to TCS just for job stability. That should not happen. So जाके काम भी करना है वहाँ पे. This was a reason I had given in one of the video, and I had elaborated it for such a long, like 15-20 minutes video, but the review was very very bad, so I had to cut that part. But the fact will always be the fact. Thank you, take care. Thanks a lot for your support here. Without you, we are nothing.